Hey y'all, so it's been a busy cleaning day, so we're going to soups to save the day. I'm making my Javy iced coffee right now. As you can see, I need my afternoon pick-me-up, and this is just some regular dark chocolate sauce, like the ice cream sauce. But we're going to add in the little Javy concentrate. Mine's super simple. I need simplicity. And then we'll be having chicken tortilla soup for lunch today. And I'll show y'all how we're making our dinner soup as well. But as simple as that, we've got ice, dark chocolate syrup, our Javy concentrate, and a little bit of chocolate almond milk. And our iced coffee is ready to go. So I'm going to drink this while our tortilla soup warms up, and we'll taste test this and do a little mini review, see how what we think of it and how that works, if it's something that we would buy again. And then I'll let y'all see how we make our dinner soup as well. So I'll see y'all back in just a little bit. Okay y'all, so today we are revisiting our potato soup that we made a while back. We've already cooked a pack of bacon. I've left the bacon grease down in the bottom of the pan, and we are going to make some changes to that potato soup and see, hopefully, if it comes out a little bit better. The soup was good, but I want it to be great. So let's try and make a great potato soup. So last time I used a whole medium onion, and I felt like it was a little bit too oniony. So today I'm going to add only a half of a medium onion. Y'all see I left that bacon grease down in the bottom of the pan, and I'm going to let that help cook my onion and garlic and all of that yummy stuff. I had it turned down to a medium heat, but I'm going to turn it back up to a medium high. I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of minced garlic. While this sautés, I'm going to shred up a block of cheddar cheese. I wish I had sharp cheddar because it really does deliver a much bigger punch with less cheese, but all I have is medium today. But we're going to use what we have. Okay, now that that looks and smells beautiful, we're going to add in about a quarter of a cup of flour and use this as a thickening agent since last time it was a little bit thin. So I switched to my wooden spoon so I can get those little bits off the bottom of it. I don't want to get rid of that. The brown bits are good. Now if it was burnt and black, that would not be good. But I also don't want to scrape up my pan, so that's why I switched to the wooden spoon. Next we're going to add in about 6 cups of chicken broth, which would be about 3 cans if you're using the canned broth. It's just a little bit less than that. I'm using water and then adding in my chicken base. I've been using chicken bouillon and it's been working out okay, but with this I wanted to stick to my chicken base. And while it has this extra liquid is a good time, not so vigorously, but to kind of run your spoon along the bottom to get up that caramelized bits as well. And this is pretty much where it turns into a dump and go recipe. So we're going to add in our block of cream cheese, our can of cream of chicken soup, our jumbo bag of shredded hash browns. I'm using shredded this time instead of the cubed. Again, trying something different, see if this will help them break down a little bit more and make for a creamier texture. A block of shredded cheddar cheese. And it's just 8 ounces or about 2 cups. About a quarter of a teaspoon of pepper. Maybe about a half a teaspoon of salt. And we're going to add in about a quarter of a teaspoon of chili powder as well. We're going to switch it to slow cooker function on high. And we are going to, actually I'm going to cook it on low and see how it works because I need this to cook all day. Now, it's going to be like a soup day. We've got soup cooking at the shop that we're doing. We're doing a hamburger vegetable soup over there today. We're having some soup for lunch, so we'll give y'all a review on how that's going to be. And then this is going to be our soup dinner for tonight, so before we go to church. So soup for everybody, or soup all day, but it's really cold and we're doing very different soups, so I think we'll be fine. And the kids aren't even here, so they're not gonna care too much. It'll just be me and Michael if we kind of get burnt out on soup today, but I know I'll be fine. And if he's ending with potato soup, he's always happy. But we'll see y'all back in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so we're all cleaned up and everything, ready for church, but we got to eat dinner first. We're going to have our soup. We're going to see how it turned out, see if the changes we made work out. It smells really good. Now, we don't need more cheese, but more cheese always more better. So beautiful. All right.
Do we look great?
Y'all do look great. And we're just going to add some of that bacon that we also cooked. Ooh, I probably should have crunched those up a little bit better, but that'll be all right. And let's taste test. Now, I didn't have to puree anything out of this with using the shredded hash browns, and it's nice and thick. Like, I like the thickness that it's at right now. Like I said, didn't need more cheese, but I always like more cheese. So let's taste test. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have a new recipe. The other one can go to the wayside. Like I said, it wasn't that it was bad. It was good, but this one is really good. Like, this one I would gladly eat again, like for leftovers, or make again within the next, like, week or so coming up. Yeah. Oh, so good. Not too oniony like the other one was. And if you like onion, maybe throw the whole thing in there. It just wasn't my preference, but y'all, winner, winner, potato soup dinner. Hopefully you enjoyed. Oh, as for the tortilla soup that we got from Sam's Club, it's okay. It's not bad. I added some chips and some cheese and stuff to it, and I mean, it worked out for a very quick lunch. Will I get it again? Probably not. I'll keep looking for a nice one to have in the freezer or something, but it was very cost effective. It was quick, it was easy, and it wasn't bad by any means. I still ate it, but it just wasn't a great winner. But we'll see y'all next time, and thank y'all for joining us. Bye.